Hey, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to exactly create any animation and any art and any photo using AI. It's completely free. So if you are want to create AI art, your own photo and any celebrity photo, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any moment. At first, I am going to Lexica.com. It's completely free. You need to create an account for pro level. So I recommend you don't need to create account here. So at first I'm going to Lexica and type temple of Messi. You can see there is lots of image this match for original Messi. So I'm charging another one. Temple of AI art. Wow, this is really cool. So I copy this one, then go to generate, then you need to diminution here is vertical, so paste here. So I type another one real real st. Wow, this is really beautiful. So I'm going to here. Wow, so if you want to download, then click here download menu. So if you want to customize more, then go to here, then type any other setting of this dark sky. Wow. So I click here. You can see this is a beautiful outprint. If you download here. So if you are new viewers in this channel, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you, Tata.